This is how I would've spit on this motherfucking track. Now when I get out the motherfucking bed, I'm up. I'm feeling so good that I feel up my own cup. Yeah, I'm in this motherfucker feeling like a new kid. Suburb shit. So I'm back in my new shit. Cooped up in something foolish. Man, they think I'm clown material. Watch me turn around material. Hit you with that ground material. Now you on motherfucking face. Every time you see me, now you recognize my face. Now I'm come up in this bitch and the blunt is not lace. Yes, if we race, I'ma give you a taste of my dust. I don't give a fuck if the cops try to bust. I'ma make sure I plead the fifth, nigga, what's the us? We gon' keep it to the top. Let them niggas fold. If they ain't about the chopper, watch them motherfuckers go. We ain't about that bullshit, watch that bullshit, change your mind up. We gon' be up in this bitch, swinging from the vine. What's up? Bitch, I'm on some new shit, bitch, I'm on some new shit. I change up the game like a TV station. No, fuck that, a new game. Like a 2011 to 2012, you see the difference. Bitches looking at me, they think it's a secret. But bitch, I know that you're watching me with your peripheral. I'll be up in this motherfucker, all be in your peripheral. Man, I'm like a doctor, cause you know I know what's wrong with you. I'm gonna be up in this thing, still gonna try to fuck with you. Game on lock, so I try to find the key. Then I find it, then now I own it B. See, it's E, talking about it's elite. Oh, it's me, got gold on my dick and gold on my two wrists. Man, I put shit together like a puzzle, now it's done. Every time you see me, got your nostrils filled up with some gas or some motherfucking cat. You can't breathe, you can't sneeze, now your mind telling you, please, man, I'm in the breeze, man, cause I'm in convertible. Swag is so damn crazy, that's some shit that you ain't heard before. Man, I'm my green head, talking about incredible, incredible. I feel this shit, know what's going inside of me, I feel incredible. Bitch, I think I'm incredible, okay, let me go. Man, I catch that ball, Uncle Seagull, I don't fall. Bitch, I'm about to go, Lamborghini, bout to ride me. I don't give a fuck, nigga, I don't need no hype, man. Bitch, we all spit gutter shit, it's the nature. We be in this bitch, we ain't stopping chasing paper. Caked up, bitch, don't put your hand in it, you ain't help bake up. Man, we straight up, man, we keep it so 100. If you disrespect, man, you might find your body on the news next. The text, I don't know, 911, they should have a text line, cause niggas text so many times. Nigga, get text line, real shit, gang bang, we don't even gang bang. Put that in my mama, man, run up in your mama, man, flipped up like a bang. Goddamn, you go ham every time you see me. Yes, I'm in some different color shoes. You be like, goddamn, nigga, your girl got some issues. Now she gon' leave you, and you got that swag too. Man, stop it. I'm coming in here copping. I need about another brick before I do no stopping. Then they try to front me, so the front I go harder. Then I'm like, damn, this nigga breathe underwater. Like flick it, I'm flicking like a booger out my nose. Swag is so damn crazy, and I'm not from Hollywood. I came from the mid, and that bitch is so damn big. If you try to stump on me, you gon' catch the fucking mid. Real shit, bitch, drown you in the 5 legs. Well, that's great. When you gonna land up, who gonna catch up the case? No one, not the mentalist, not even Dexter. I be in this motherfucker. Look at my complexion. Man, I'm in this thing. I be sweated up, man. I ain't talking cocaine. I be leaning, but I'm leaning. I ain't talking about that codeine. See me? I'm just like a motherfucker frame. I got diamonds around that bitch, so it's blinding you, man. It's Ellie. I don't know how many bars that was, but Ellie! Need a producer, shouts out.